Okay, here I'm going to make a demo, guys, to you about my currently being made application on Android. Okay, it's about an application called General Engineering, and it will just consolidate all the formulas and of engineering, mostly all the generally used and mostly used in engineering and every type of engineering, mostly mechanical, electrical, and civil, and they will be like consolidated in one application. And what I'm gonna do is just demonstrate all what I've done till now, because there are still things to come. There's a book, first of all, I'm following. Okay, so here is the book. Okay, it's a pocket guide. So this pocket guide, I'm turning it into a true application, and the things that I've done till now are the following. First, I got the units table. Okay, here I'm going to turn it on, turn it a little bit. So it's just a table in HTML of all unit prefixes and symbols and things like that. This is very silly to an engineer, but it's just a reference. Maybe you need to know it. Okay, and here's some activity. Here's some part of the application that you can convert. Okay, and I have a long list of conversions. Okay, so and you can just select and input the quantity. For example, here, how many Fahrenheit? If we got minus 40, should get minus 40 in degrees centigrade. This is the same value. Okay, now I've got here physical constants. It's also an HTML file. Okay, that I copied from the book. Like I made this density. This is now universal constants. Okay, and then let's take back, because this is emulated. This is not a real telephone and or a real tablet. Then I've got here geometry, area, and volume. So you can calculate rectangle geometry, triangle, circle, trapezoid, or trapezium. You can call it too. This is a rectangular solid like a cube. You've got a cone, got also here a pyramid and a prism and a sphere and cylinder. All of them are there. Okay, areas and volumes and surface also. If it's a solid like a sphere, the area would be the surface area. Okay, so let's go to something serious like a sphere, or maybe a pyramid, much more serious. So you got here, this is the formula. Okay, it's like for the volume V, so it's V squared H over 3, and this is the surface area will be printed out when you calculate it, and the volume. So if I say like I have 2 over here, 2 units in the base side, and this is the pyramid's height. Okay, so we got here, for example, 3. Okay, and then just move to next here. There's also here a reset form, just to reset the form, and then calculate the circumference, area, surface area, and volume, whatever, because this is a common button between all types of geometry shapes. So that's how much it will be exactly, and this is the volume. Okay, of course the formulas are implemented inside the application, so you don't have to think about it, just fill in the blanks. Okay, now after this I've entered into electricity. This is the last thing I've been into. This is, of course, to an electrical engineer it's silly, just what's Ohm's law, but you know, it's just a way to demonstrate things, that if you got like 2 amperes and 2 ohms, you must have 4 as a voltage. Okay, you can put any decimal, maybe like 1 point something, and here. Okay, and this is a reset form, so you can clear it. Okay, now this is, I have the resistance calculation. You can select whether it's a series setup of resistances. This is next if you want to have it as a parallel. Okay, and you start from 2 because it has no meaning to start from 1. Start from 2 items in the arrangement, 2 resistances. So you can select up to 10 because it's more than enough to compute for 10 parallel resistances. Okay, and then you can make your additional 10 and 10 and 10 by yourself. Okay, and then you can fill it here, and it will also by itself, if you, for example, missed one of them, like if I say this is 1, this is number 2 is missed, and got like this, and then it will tell you that this is missing number 2. Okay, and you can still, I will also just make it a little bit smaller and number, so I have like maybe 3 elements. Okay, so it will also switch to 3 elements. Okay, and then I have here, if I say 1, then 1, then 1, each one is a 1 ohm, and then you get the resultant resistance. Okay, so it will be 1/3. Okay, and if it's a series, it will tell you 3. Okay, so I think you know the formula, and the formula is written inside the diagram here, just for you to see it. Okay, so this is what I have been doing yet, and I hope you love my work, but this is just the start. I haven't done anything more yet. I'm going to do now a voltage drop. Now I'll do it soon. Okay, and wish me luck. That's all I want. This is my program. I hope I can add more to it and consolidate as many as I can of formulas inside the application. Thanks for watching.